Hello my friend, welcome to our Gondor factory. I'm Alvin. This machine is our horizontal mixer. It's used to mix various powders, and it has a double spiral blade structure inside, and which can mix materials efficiently and quickly. The tank and the frame of the machine can be made of carbon steel and 201 stainless steel and 304 food grade stainless steel. And this is the discharge valve of the machine, which can be easily opened and disclosed. We also support customizing some new functions such as heating and timing. So if you have any question and requirements, please let me know, and we will recommend you a most suitable model for you, such as this one is 500 model. We have bigger or smaller. That's all. Thank you.